Hi everyone. Let's learn about comparative adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes something. And a comparative is an adjective that compares two things or people. For one-syllable word adjectives like the word tall, all we have to do is add er, like this. Taller. Let's take a look at some examples of comparative adjectives together. Tall. An ostrich is tall. A giraffe is taller than an ostrich. Short. A penguin is short. A turtle is shorter than a penguin. Fast. A train is fast. A bullet train is faster than a train. Slow. A turtle is slow. A snail is slower than a turtle. For two-syllable word adjectives that end in y, like the word salty, all we have to do is change the y to an I and add er, like this. Saltier. Let's look at other examples of comparative adjectives. Salty. Popcorn is salty. Potato chips are saltier than popcorn. Sweet. Chocolate is sweet. Honey is sweeter than chocolate. Long. A pencil is long. A ruler is longer than a pencil. Short. An eraser is short. A paper clip is shorter than an eraser. For one-syllable word adjectives that end in a single vowel followed by a consonant, like the word big, double the last consonant and add er, like this. Bigger. Let's look at other examples of comparative adjectives. Big. A bear is big. An elephant is bigger than a bear. Small. A ladybug is small. An ant is smaller than a ladybug. Loud. Fireworks are loud. A thunderstorm is louder than fireworks. Quiet. A forest is quiet. A library is quieter than a forest.
Which is faster, a horse or a bicycle?
A horse is faster than a bicycle.
Which is bigger, the sun or the moon?
The sun is bigger than the moon.
Which is smaller, a hill or a mountain?
hill is smaller than a mountain.
Which is slower, a sloth or a monkey?
A sloth is slower than a monkey.
Which is taller, a sunflower or a daisy?
A sunflower is taller than a daisy.
Which is sweeter, a peach or a lemon?
A peach is sweeter than a lemon.
Which is colder, a winter day or a summer day?
A winter's day is colder than a summer's day.
Which is stronger, a rhinoceros or an elephant?
An elephant is stronger than a rhinoceros.
Which is hotter, a desert or a tropical rainforest?
A desert is hotter than a tropical rainforest.
Which is sharper, a pencil or a crayon?
A pencil is sharper than a crayon.
Thank you for watching.